What if I told you that the most powerful Garmin watch ever made could be just weeks away from launch? And what if this new model could actually track fatigue inside your muscles in real time, lock onto satellites with almost pinpoint accuracy, and even let you send messages when you are completely off the grid? Sounds like something from the future, right? Well, according to the latest leaks, rumors, and insider reports, this future might arrive much sooner than anyone expected. The Garmin Fenix 9 is coming, and everything we are hearing so far suggests it could be one of the biggest jumps the Fenix lineup has ever seen. So before you spend a single dollar on your next outdoor watch, you need to hear what is packed inside this beast. Stick with me until the end, because what Garmin is about to release could completely change the smartwatch game. Let's start with the timing, because this is where things are getting really interesting. In our previous video, we focused on the Fenix 9 Pro, which is widely expected to arrive sometime in 2027. But today, we are shifting our attention to the standard Fenix 9, and this one is rumored to launch much sooner. Multiple reports suggest that Garmin is planning to unveil the Fenix 9 somewhere between August and October 2026. That means we could be looking at a launch window that is just around the corner. One of the biggest clues pointing to an imminent release comes from a recent APK teardown of the Garmin Connect Android app. Inside that teardown, references to the Enduro 4 were reportedly discovered. Now that is a huge signal. Why? Because historically, Garmin has always launched new Enduro models alongside the Fenix lineup. The Enduro 3 debuted right next to the Fenix 8. So if the Enduro 4 is quietly being prepared behind the scenes, the Fenix 9 is almost certainly walking right beside it. On top of that, Garmin's CEO has already hinted at a major second half of 2026 for the company's outdoor lineup. When the CEO himself starts dropping hints like that, you know something big is being cooked up. And if these hints prove accurate, the Fenix 9 could become Garmin's flagship outdoor watch heading straight into the autumn season. But here is where things get truly exciting. Because based on the rumors we have been tracking, the Fenix 9 may be much more than just a routine annual upgrade. The biggest headline this year is a potential leap forward in performance and biometric tracking. Garmin recently trademarked a brand new feature called Muscle Battery. And while the company has not officially revealed what it actually does, the speculation around it is absolutely wild. Many believe this feature could be tied to a future Elevate Gen 6 sensor platform. Some reports even indicate that Garmin may be exploring localized muscle monitoring through real-time SMO2, also known as muscle oxygen saturation tracking. Now think about what that really means for a moment. If this becomes reality, the Fenix 9 could actually identify fatigue building in specific muscle groups during long climbs, trail runs, or endurance sessions. Imagine your watch telling you which muscles are getting tired before you even feel it. That would give athletes a completely new layer of data, a layer that goes far beyond heart rate, training readiness, and even body battery. This alone could put the Fenix 9 in a category of its own. Now let's talk about navigation, because this is another area where the Fenix 9 is expected to take a massive step forward. The watch is heavily rumored to feature an upgraded triband GNSS system. This new system is designed to improve satellite lock and positional accuracy, especially in challenging environments. And here is the number that has everyone talking. Some reports suggest Garmin is targeting accuracy levels approaching 50 centimeters under ideal conditions. 50 centimeters. That is insanely precise for a wrist-worn device. Think about what that means in the real world. Whether you are navigating through dense forests, moving across technical mountain trails, or walking through a city surrounded by tall buildings, this kind of precision could be a total game changer. It could represent one of the biggest GPS improvements we have seen from Garmin in years. For hikers, trail runners, mountaineers, and even urban explorers, that level of accuracy is something you simply cannot ignore. And that is still not all. There is growing speculation that Garmin may finally expand its satellite capabilities beyond what we have seen in previous generations. This is where the Fenix 9 could turn into a true survival tool. Rumored features include off-grid messaging, emergency communication tools, and enhanced safety functions. Imagine being deep in the mountains, far away from any cell signal, and still being able to send a message to your loved ones. Or think about being in a dangerous situation and having the ability to trigger emergency communication right from your wrist. These kinds of features would make the Fenix 9 a far more capable standalone device for outdoor adventures. It would no longer just be a smartwatch. It would be a lifeline. And in a world where more and more people are pushing into remote environments, this kind of upgrade could be exactly what serious adventurers have been asking for. Then there is the display, and honestly, this one might be the most exciting rumor of all. According to recent supply chain reports, Garmin could be working on a brand new solar overlay technology. This new technology reportedly combines a transparent solar charging layer with a high-resolution AMOLED panel. Now think about how big that is. AMOLED gives you deep colors, sharp contrast, and smooth responsiveness. solar charging gives you extended battery life. Until now, those two worlds have not really come together in a clean, powerful way. But if Garmin actually pulls this off, the Fenix 9 could deliver the beautiful AMOLED experience users love, while still soaking up the sun to keep the battery topped up during long adventures. That is the kind of innovation that could truly separate Garmin from every other brand in the outdoor smartwatch space. And powering all of these amazing features is expected to be a next-generation processor. This new chip is aimed at delivering faster map rendering, smoother UI animations, quicker route calculations, and an overall more responsive experience. If you have ever used an older Garmin and felt those small lags when zooming into maps or switching menus, you already know how much a faster processor can improve daily use. With everything the Fenix 9 is trying to do, from real-time muscle tracking to triband GNSS to AMOLED plus solar, a powerful new processor is not just nice to have, it is absolutely necessary, and Garmin seems to know exactly what is at stake here. Of course, we have to be fair. Much of what we have discussed today is still based on likes, trademarks, supply chain information, and industry speculation. Nothing has been officially confirmed by Garmin just yet. But here is the thing, even if only a portion of these reports proves accurate, the Fenix 9 could easily end up being one of the most significant upgrades the Fenix lineup has ever seen. And in my honest opinion, this watch has the potential to completely reshape what people expect from a premium outdoor smartwatch. If Garmin delivers even half of these rumored features, the Fenix 9 will not just compete with the top watches on the market, it will lead the entire category. I truly believe this could be the model that current Fenix owners have been waiting years to upgrade to. It looks like the perfect blend of health tracking, navigation, safety, and design, all wrapped into one serious tool built for real adventurers. If the price stays reasonable and the battery life holds up, the Fenix 9 could be the smartwatch of the year without question. So now I want to hear from you. Are you planning to pick up the Fenix 9 later this year, or are you holding out for the Fenix 9 Pro expected in 2027? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I read every single one. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on every leak, rumor, and launch, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who loves Garmin, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.